Hello everybody, this is Jose Saldana and this is the video tutorial for week 4. And for this week I just want to talk about how to work with extrusions. And to do that I'm going to create just a simple pilaster using using the extrusion tool, just so you can see how it's used. And to do that we go into component, model in place, and we're just going to go to generic models, and generic models 1, or we can just go pilaster. And then we need to set the work plane, and I'm just going to pick a plane here. And for what I want to do, I'm going to pick down here. And once it's set, I'm going to move to the view that I want. So right here's the floor, and I'm just going to create something or draw something here for the extrusion. So first I click extrusion, and then I can just use the line tool. This is the bottom of the floor, I believe, and and then what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna create like a simple drawing here, a simple sketch of what I want my extrusion to be. Do that. Close it off. If I want this a little longer. And then once I'm done with drawing whatever I want to extrude, I click the check mark. And then I move this around so I can see where it's going. And I want, so right here you could see it extruded from elevation 0 and then went 1 foot. So what I want to do is move it the other way, and let's say this can just go up to the roof. Then when I want it to be when I have it where I want it to be, I just click finish model, and there's the extrusion. And it's not a good looking pilaster or anything, but it's a good way to create one just using the extrusion tool. And you can be pretty creative and use the extrusion tool pretty much for anything. So yeah, this is how you use the extrusion tool, and I hope it helps. Thank you.